Guess where I am? Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Guess where I am? Well, banner behind me, Roush Performance, and I am in the, look at that, vehicle manufacturing area. Let's go take a look around. So everybody in here is super busy. I'm not going to go up to each area of the line and interrupt everyone and ask exactly what they're doing, but I do want to show you some of the cool vehicles in here right now. So we're going on to the 2018 model year. There's a lot of 2018s, of course, tons of 2018 Mustangs, F150's, and my favorite, the vehicle, if I had to pick from any of these I could take home today, the 2018 Raptor. That vehicle's just sick, and we'll go take a look at it in a minute. So behind me is the wash bay, and that's where everything's going to start. So the vehicles are originally stored outside just like they are at Ford, and then it's going to come into the wash or detail area. That has to happen first before it goes down the assembly line. And then once the vehicles come in, you know, whether it's an F-150, a Mustang, it just goes down an assembly line like really anything that's manufactured. So right beside me right here, this is the very first area of the line. From the looks of it, they're putting louvers on the hoods of this particular Mustang right here. But that's what's going on right here. And what I'm getting ready to walk forward into is two separate lines. There's a line for F-150's today, and there's a line for, they're doing stage 2 2018 Mustangs today. So sometimes, depending on what vehicles are being made, the lines are going to get changed over, just like in most any type of manufacturing. But that's what's going on right now. So I'm just going to spin around right here. So like I said, I don't want to interrupt all these guys, but all right. So over here, right here, we have an F-150 line, and the vehicles are going down, and these are actually non-supercharged F-150's today. It's 2018 Roush F-150's, and then over here behind me we have stage 2 Mustangs. I'll walk a little bit closer to those. I know a lot of you guys might want to see them. So for 2018 we're having the stage 1 Roush Mustang, the stage 2, and then of course the stage 3, which is going to be called the Jackhammer. You may have heard about that at SEMA. The horsepower numbers are unannounced at this point, but let's go take a look at the cars. I felt kind of bad interrupting some of the techs back there building the cars, so I'm just going to show them to you behind me, and then I have some finished ones we'll actually take a closer look at. But these are the Mustangs. They're actually not done yet. This is the first line. The lines actually zigzag around the building, and then from here they'll go get some wheels put on, they'll go to alignment, and then there's a final inspection area that every car has to get fully inspected and checked, and then once it passes it can be delivered. But over here, my all-time favorite, that's a 2018 Raptor. This is a very, very cool color. I love this thing. I walk through here, and if I could pick out any vehicle in here, this would be the one I'd take home today. And I will show you the window sticker. So this truck, if you went to Ford and just bought it, that's like $70,000. Let's take a look. So here is your Ford window sticker. All right, that's before it comes down these assembly lines, gets all the Roush conversion. Pretty cool. I won't be taking that one home today. So what else we got over here? Ooh, yeah, 18 F-150. Now they're gray. Love that truck right there. 18 Mustang. I'm not super hip on the center stripe. A lot of people like that, but the cool thing is it's an option. So as I'm walking around in here, all these Mustangs are built differently. I think there's 3 wheel options, a couple different suspension options. You can get like 3-way adjustable as an option. Of course, your graphics are all going to be choices. And when you go to a Ford dealership lot and there's Roushes sitting there, those have been pre-ordered however they want them. But you can walk in, there's a sheet you can fill out that's get it exactly the way you want it. And right here, like this one, has no stripe on the hood. Something cool I noticed, almost like all the F-150's and the Mustangs in here, is this American flag. I'm going to show it to you on this Stormtrooper style F-150. That's pretty awesome. But check this out. I like that. That's going to be on the back of the Mustangs, on the back, like well, behind the back tire, now on the trucks. I think it's like right here, and some of them maybe are on the bed, depending on what the truck is. And then over here, these lifts, it's kind of like an engineering area. So it's maybe vehicles, it's getting some development work done to it. It's really hard to tell, but that's not the actual assembly line. And I'm actually walking down the final assembly line right now, and it's not even an assembly line. This is called inspection. See how bright the lights are? They can look at the paint, check the whole entire vehicle over, make sure everything's absolutely perfect before it leaves the facility. So this is the last bit of the line right now, and it's like a final inspection. You got some sweet F-150s right here. Of course, another beautiful Raptor right here, which is my all-time favorite. Another Mustang with the flag. That one has that center stripe also. Maybe that's going to be a popular option for these cars. It's really hard to say, but I would say I wouldn't want it. A lot of people do if you're into that. And that's it, man. I just did a quick buzz through this factory. I didn't want to go out and interrupt the techs, and I just wanted to show you some of the cool vehicles that are in here. So new F-150s, Raptors, Stage 2 Mustangs. The Stage 3 Mustangs are not going down the assembly line yet because they're not released yet. They're going to be called Jackhammer. It's an undisclosed horsepower level, but those are going to be coming down the pipeline, I think, in like the next month, really. So basically in March or April of 2018, depending on when you're watching this. So thanks for watching. That's it. Just a quick run through the Roush manufacturing facility here where they're building Mustangs and F-150s. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, leave a comment if you'd like to. I would love to answer your questions. Thanks.